At Bymar Orthotics and Shoes LLC, we specialize in the fabrication, repair, refurbish of custom, semi-custom, prefabricated foot orthotics and orthopedic shoes. If you've been diagnosed with plantar fasciitis, flat feet, high arches, heel spurs, metatarsalgia, mortise neuroma, we might be able to help by providing the most efficient way to get you back on track. We work together with doctors and prescriptions. Through the years, we have helped thousands of people from different areas and cities. You're welcome to stop by for a free, no obligation consultation. If you prefer to make an appointment, click in the link below or call us. Don't forget to follow us on social media to get updates and promotional discounts.